Hello friends, this is a 2012 Chevy Traverse. It's got a 3.6 liter engine, V6. In this video, we're gonna be showing you how to access your crankshaft position sensor. In case you had any issues, like timing concern issues, the first thing you wanna check is your crankshaft position sensor. So let's get to it. Your crankshaft position sensor is gonna be located in the rear of your engine. It's this guy right here, you see, is hanging by the wire, okay? So in order to get to it, you have to first, let me put this back here. It's got this heat shield right here, which is held by a 10 millimeter up there. Then down here is a 15 millimeter. You take those two bolts out, slide this out, and then this is held by a 10 millimeter bolt, which you have to take out. And then, as you can see, there is no room to disconnect this connector right here. So you have to take the bolt out and then pry with a tool, something maybe like this. See, a small flat screwdriver. You can pry your sensor out and then just pull it with the wire. And then once you got it here, you can disconnect it easily. Okay, friends, that's it with this video. Thank you for watching. And if you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And see you next time, okay? Alright friends, thank you for watching this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and give us some likes. And see you next time, alright? Valerie.